Hi guys! Nasa Speedy Car si Rella. So it's her first time alone to ride the go-kart. Ayan, may instructions ka. Ano sinasabi ni Kuya?
Pag checkered flag, last round. Pag green flag, malay ko basta.
Okay, at least he's instructed you what you're gonna do, di ba? Ayan, so mag-start na si Rella. Are you excited?
Yes!
Ayan, namili na siya ng helmet. And pink talaga yung napili mong helmet. Ayan, bagay na bagay kay Erella ang helmet. Ayan. Are you nervous?
No.
No naman. Okay, good.
When I grow up,
Ayan, pero syempre, fasten your...
seat belt.
Yeah, it's very important when you ride a go-kart. And in real life, we drive cars, di ba? We need to wear our seat belts. That's very important. Ayan, excited naman ako para kay Erella. First time niya talaga to. First time niya talaga mag-ride alone.
Uy, mabay
Yeah.
kami.
Slowly ka, no? Tama naman yan. Since it's your first time, you drive slowly.
And then,
Yan, it's Speedy Cards. Bagong bukas to kasi sa mall na malapit sa amin.
and did you know that girl behind me were about to race who's fast, who's gonna go?
Ah, okay. Ayan. Enjoy, Arella. And you are the winner. Meron pa trophy pa. Bye-bye. Till our next video.
Bye bye.